Are you ready to start making money online using AI tools in 2026? The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence have created numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs and freelancers to earn income with minimal overhead. From building AI agents to creating automated content, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking to capitalize on the growing AI industry, there's a way for everyone to monetize these powerful tools. In this guide, we'll explore the top 8 ways you can start earning money online with AI in 2026, helping you tap into the digital revolution. 1. AI agent architecture. For small businesses. Small businesses, especially in sectors like law, plumbing, and healthcare, are increasingly turning to AI tools to streamline their operations. However, many are overwhelmed by the complexity of integrating AI into their day-to-day tasks. This is where you can step in by creating and leasing specialized AI agents to manage their scheduling, lead qualification, and follow-up communications via text or voice. You can set up these autonomous agents to handle specific functions, saving businesses significant time and money. Instead of a one-time setup fee, you can charge a monthly digital employee fee, allowing you to generate consistent passive income. These AI agents can operate 24/7, providing businesses with continuous support and improving efficiency. This service benefits small business owners by reducing their workload while improving client satisfaction, making it a win-win situation. As more businesses adopt AI solutions, there is significant demand for skilled AI agents tailored to specific industries, making it a lucrative side hustle or full-time business opportunity for you. 2. Synthetic stock photography and video. The demand for high-quality, niche-specific images and videos is skyrocketing in 2026, especially for marketing purposes. Businesses and advertisers are constantly looking for unique content that resonates with their target audiences, and they need it fast. This is where you can use AI-powered tools to create synthetic stock photography and video that can be sold online. Once created, these assets can be uploaded to platforms that pay royalties for AI-generated content used in commercial ads, such as stock photography websites or direct licensing platforms. The key to success in this field is to tap into niche markets that are currently underrepresented in the stock content space. With a growing demand for tailored imagery and the ease of creation provided by AI, this is a high-potential avenue for passive income. As AI improves, it will only become easier to produce professional quality content without the need for traditional photography or video production skills. 3. Hyperlocal, AI-curated travel guides. Travel guides are a dime a dozen, but finding personalized, hyper-localized, and up-to-date travel information can be a challenge. In 2026, AI-powered tools have revolutionized the travel industry, making it easier than ever to create tailored travel guides based on real-time social sentiment and local news. With the help of AI, you can scrape social media platforms, local news sources, and real-time sentiment data to create dynamic, auto-updating travel itineraries. These guides can focus on very specific niches, such as gluten-free digital nomad spots in Tokyo or family-friendly adventures in Paris during the off-season. As a result, your AI-curated guides will cater to an audience that's looking for the most current, personalized travel information that generic websites can't provide. As the demand for niche specialized travel content increases, you can tap into this growing market and monetize your AI-generated guides on platforms like your own website, travel marketplaces, or as subscription-based services. 4. AI data labeling management. AI models thrive on data, but that data needs to be properly labeled to ensure accuracy and relevance. In 2026, instead of manually doing the labeling yourself, you can leverage AI tools to pre-process and verify massive datasets for tech companies, earning money as a quality controller for AI systems. With the help of an AI assistant, you can manage the labeling and verification process on a much larger scale than traditional freelancers. By using one AI tool to check the work of another, you can process up to 100 times the volume of work compared to doing it manually. This is a game changer for businesses that rely on vast datasets to train their AI models. With data-labeled systems required for machine learning projects, the demand for skilled data managers is growing rapidly. At BY overseeing this automated process, you'll be able to help tech companies refine their models while earning a steady income. 5. Automated faceless education channels. Online education is booming, and AI has made it easier than ever to create an educational channel without needing to show your face on camera. In 2026, AI tools can now generate scripts, voiceovers, and even B-roll video footage within minutes, enabling you to launch a fully automated skill-based YouTube or TikTok channel. These AI-driven tools allow you to focus on the content strategy and monetization, while the AI handles the production side of things. Whether you want to teach complex topics like quantum physics, tax law, or digital marketing, the AI tools will generate high-quality videos with a natural-sounding AI voice and relevant visuals, making it easier to create professional-level educational content. Once your channel is set up, you can monetize it through sponsorships, ads, and even paid course offerings. As AI handles the majority of the production, you can scale your channel quickly without investing hours into content creation. This makes it an ideal passive income opportunity, allowing you to focus on growing your audience while the AI does the heavy lifting. 6. Prompt as a service for professionals. As businesses struggle to keep up with generative AI, they often need gold standard prompts that help them generate specific content for their workflow. Whether it's for architects, doctors, or lawyers, each professional field requires highly specialized prompts that are designed to automate complex documentation and tasks. You can create and sell bespoke prompt libraries for these professionals, helping them streamline their work processes. By designing tailored prompts for specific industries, you can offer a valuable service to businesses that are integrating AI into their operations. Platforms like PromptBase or your own Shopify store allow you to sell these logic templates directly to those in need. The beauty of this business model is that once you've developed the prompt libraries, you can sell them over and over again, generating passive income as AI becomes more integral to daily workflows. As the demand for automation grows, offering high-quality, industry-specific prompts can become a lucrative long-term business opportunity. 7. AI-enhanced arbitrage flipping. In 2026, AI-powered scraper bots can help you identify price discrepancies between global marketplaces, creating lucrative flipping opportunities. By monitoring sites like eBay and niche regional marketplaces, the AI identifies undervalued items such as tech gadgets, collectibles, or rare goods that can be bought at a low price and resold for a profit. The AI analyzes shipping costs, fees, and demand for products, alerting you when there's a potential arbitrage opportunity. With a 90% confidence interval, you can be sure that the products you're flipping will yield a solid profit margin. AI-powered arbitrage tools allow you to scale this business faster, working with multiple products and markets simultaneously without manually scouring each marketplace for deals. This business model is ideal for those looking for a low-maintenance side hustle that requires minimal upfront investment. The power of AI to track and analyze the market gives you a competitive advantage, enabling you to find profitable products before they're discovered by others. 8. Custom AI chatbot persona design. As AI becomes more integrated into customer service, companies are increasingly looking for unique and customized chatbot personalities. In 2026, businesses want their AI to sound more human, with the ability to convey their brand's voice, humor, and cultural nuances. This is where you can step in as an AI personality designer. By designing custom chatbot personas for companies, you help brands create more engaging and authentic customer experiences. You'll code specific personalities into the AI's responses, ensuring that the chatbot aligns with a company's tone and brand values. This is the 2026 version of copywriting, where you create tailored scripts for AI to follow, enhancing customer interaction. The demand for unique AI personas is growing, and businesses are willing to pay for this service to ensure their chatbot delivers an experience that resonates with their customers. With AI tools enabling rapid development, you can offer custom chatbot designs for various industries, making this a lucrative opportunity for creative entrepreneurs. There you have it, the top 8 ways to make money with AI tools online in 2026. From AI-powered arbitrage flipping to creating custom chatbot personas, these tools are game changers for anyone looking to boost their income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most of AI tools to grow your wealth. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to start using today. I'll see you in the next video.